everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki Akins, and if you're new here, please don't forget to like, share, and give me a thumbs up. So I know you guys kind of like been saying, oh, it's been a minute that I've actually put out the content out there. Yeah, it's been a minute. I know the kids, school, work, and family. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be talking about holidays, gift, and all that. So as you guys know, we are in the holiday season, and happy holidays to everyone. And there has been so much going on, gifts and all that. And I kind of like have a request earlier on this year that what I'll be needing for my Christmas, and actually got this cute bag, have I say, but the day is like I don't want to use my money to purchase it, so I had to let my husband buy that for me as my Christmas gift. And I'm gonna be unboxing that today with you guys, and after this I'm gonna wrap it up. I don't even know if I should just wrap it up or for Christmas tomorrow, or I should start using it. So guys, let's unbox this together. So do you guys know what I have in here? I don't know. Do you guys want to make a guess or not? So I'm used to using either scissors or car keys to do my unboxing. So here it is. So I actually got this from Nordstrom. So let's see. Do you guys want to guess the color or the designer? Yeah, I need to trim out this. Oh. So the designer is, yay, Christina Louboutin. And so there's stories actually behind this. So here is the receipt from Nordstrom. Yeah. Okay. And so I guess the brand of the bag is Elisa. You know how they actually has different names for each of those bags. So this one is Elisa. I'm actually gonna read what's all inside later. So this is my Christina Louboutin red purse, which is actually good for this season, and it's so cute. I actually love the leather. It's a calf skin leather. You guys know what calf skin, like, it's one of the superior leathers. I actually have the bag like this in calf leather as well, like Gucci bag is in calf leather. And the accessories, kind of like has this gold accessories. You know how gold accessories are a little bit kind of like expensive compared to the silverware. Yeah, isn't this cute? Let me actually try and put it on and see how it looks. Okay. Do you guys love it? I actually like it. So the gist about this bag is actually online. It was like 2,200, and one of my essays, I saw it on her wall, and she kind of like posted it for like 800 and something. So from 2,200 to 800 and something, like, that's a cool deal. I actually got this bag. This is a real deal. Like, I saved like a couple of, how much did I save like that? Over 8,000 plus. Yeah, that's a deal right there. So that's my Christmas gift. I don't think I need to, put it in a wrap it up or something. I'll just put it in my closet. I know it's my Christmas gift, so there's no point in wrapping it up again. So guys, it's holiday season. What are you guys getting for your Christmas? And Christmas is tomorrow. I'm wishing you guys a very good Christmas and a wonderful new year ahead. And please don't forget to click like and share. See you guys next year. Bye.